This is my Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is the tools: compass, download, scanner, feedback, screen recorder, FM radio, contacts, calculator, and clock. In this, we can also see the gallery, settings. This is the searching websites: Google, Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Drive, Play Music, Photos, Play Movie, Duo. And see, here is browser, and here is the Facebook, and here is the Play Store, apps, and security one. This is the cleaner, and I am now cleaning my phone. Yes. And now this is the WhatsApp, and this is the camera. And see, this is MI Drop, calendar, music, MI video, file manager, weather, and notes. Notes is like this. See, and rest. Yeah, wow, it's amazing. And if we want to, there is also scenery we can add in this. And now this is time to end my video.